Excel we can analyze data in different ways. So in data analysis, goal seek is a very important thing wherever you want to analyze a data and you want to change any formula or anything you want. So here we will look at this part. So here we have, suppose this is the principal amount and our loan the term is 55 months and the rate is 8% and we have to pay this amount every month. This is 1309.09. So we want to calculate that how much principal do we need to pay if we want to make a payment for 1500 every month. So now we will know how to analyze data in this way. So first we will go to the data menu, and from data we'll go to the what if analysis, and then we'll click on goal seek. So here we want to change the value of this cell K7 to value, like we want to change the value is 1500, by changing which cell. Like we want to change the cell, this one, like this cell, this is the K6. We want to change this cell. We want to change the principal to pay an amount of 1500. So by clicking here, now I will click enter. So here it will come that set value K7. We have set the value from 1309 to 1500 by changing the cell. This one is cell K6. So now I will change it and click OK. So if I want to pay 1500 in the term 55, then I have to pay the principal of these amount, like 1031250. Then we will be able to pay our expected 1500. So by this way we can analyze data. We can set our goal seek from what if analysis.